So problem 22, this is again a simple problem which has been given in KCET 2020. So we need to find the limit of x tending to 0 tan x divided by root of 2x plus 4 minus 2. So using El Hospital's rule, so let me find the differentiation of the numerator and the denominator. So differential of tan x is secant square x divided by, so I need to find, so next differential of root of 2x plus 4, so we know that it is 1 by 2 root of 2x plus 4 into differential of 2x, which is 2, minus 0. Okay, so 2 gets cancelled, so I'm left with limit of x tending to 0 secant square x divided by, so here I get 1 by root of 2x plus 4, so that goes to the numerator, so I have 2x plus 4. So this is what I have, right? So now if I put x equal to 0, so what do I get? Secant 0 is 1, so I have 1 into x equal to 0, so 2 into 0 is 0, so I get root 4, which is equal to 2. So the answer is D here, D, which is equal to 2. So that is the right answer. A very simple problem given in KCET 2020. So make sure that you do watch all the other videos to get the solutions of all the problems of KCET 2020. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.